Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I know it's been a while where I've done a nice one. Today I'm in Valencia. Check this out. That's a theatre. This is called Hemispheric. This is a science museum and that brontosaurus is moving. I don't know if you can see it, but its head's tilting up and down. And then right at the end there is Oceanographic. It's a massive aquarium. I'm beyond excited to go into all these. I got a all entry pass ticket for €27 with my dodgy student card, and this place is wild. The architecture is massive. I'm loving this city, Valencia. There's food, there's like it's the home of paella. There's oranges everywhere, there's parks. They dam their river, turn it into a park. Insane. The beaches here are really good for Europe. Nothing compares to home. And there's like culture here. They think they have the Holy Grail in their cathedral. I saw that. Disappointing, but the Goyas inside, very rewarding. Very rewarding. I love it here. The weather, it's probably about 37 today. That's in Celsius. And yeah, I'm going to check out these places and maybe take another video because I think it's going to be cool. The aquarium is apparently out of this world. So here's a map, plan of the area. Great place, loving it. It's just a little bit hot. But I'm going to check it out, I'm having a great time. Valencia was a good idea. Thank you, Karen. I want to thank you for that one. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!